Next, we'll take a look at the left sidebar in Pagecloud. This sidebar is a powerful tool that provides quick access to essential elements and controls for building and customizing your website. The left sidebar streamlines your workflow and puts everything you need in one place. Let's explore its features in more detail. Clicking on Project allows you to set and manage your website colors. With this tool, you can establish a consistent color palette across your entire website. The colors can sync across pages, enabling you to update a color once and have it automatically reflected everywhere it's used. This not only saves time, but also ensures a cohesive and professional look for your website. Custom Events allows you to track visitor actions. This tool is very handy when you want to capture leads from your website forums and touchpoints. The Page panel is where you can manage various aspects of your website page. It's where you can set the page background, whether it's a color or an image or even a video. Additionally, the Page panel allows you to set the SEO settings for each page. This ensures optimal visibility in search engines. You can also manage the mobile layout here, which is very important for ensuring a seamless experience across different devices. The advanced settings in the Page panel is where you can adjust the page width and height, and it also provides access to edit the page's HTML and JavaScript code. Next, we have sections. Sections act as building blocks for your pages, allowing you to divide content into distinct segments or blocks. Each section can be customized individually, and we can adjust background colors, images, spacing, and more. Library panel in Pagecloud serves as a centralized repository for storing and accessing your favorite design elements, courtesy of the Design Sidekick Chrome extension. The Design Sidekick Chrome extension allows you to collect and save styles, fonts, and colors that you frequently use or find appealing. It's a great tool to use while building your website. You can quickly access elements, save them, and use them whenever needed. This streamlines the website creation process and ensures a consistent brand identity. Okay, we've covered the 4 fundamental panels in the left sidebar: Project, Page, Sections, and Library. Now let's cover the remaining features of the left sidebar. Here you're going to discover a versatile assortment of elements, objects, and components at your disposal. We've got basic elements like shapes, images, text, buttons, and icons. We've got forms here as well. And we have components here which allow you to add navigation menus to your website. We can add frequently asked questions. There's figure components and lists. Integrating apps is one of Pagecloud's coolest features. Simply by using drag and drop, you can easily incorporate a wide range of apps onto your pages. Here you can add e-commerce and blog functionality to your site, but we won't be covering these features in this course. And that covers all you need to know about the left sidebar. Let's continue the tour in the next lesson, where we'll explore the editing menu.